Welcome to ACX Convo AI, the ultimate AI-driven conversational tool designed to revolutionize how real estate developers engage with customers. With automated calling, real-time call transcriptions, advanced analytics, and seamless workflow triggers, ACX Convo AI ensures no leads go unnoticed. Let's dive into how it works. The first feature is Bot Call AI-powered lead qualification. Handling thousands of leads manually is a challenge. Bot Call automates lead qualifications through AI-driven conversions, and bot makes outbound calls, asks relevant questions, and qualified leads based on predefined criteria. It can schedule site visits and even handle objections all in real time. The advantage to this is that it saves time of the pre-sales team by automating lead screening. It increases efficiency by handling large call volumes instantly. It also ensures that no leads are missed. The second feature is Call Transcribe real-time call-to-text conversion. Pre-sales calls hold valuable insight, but tracking them manually is time-consuming. Call Transcribe converts all sales conversations into structured text, making it easy to review, analyze, and improve sales strategies. The advantage to this is that it enables better feedback and training for the pre-sales team. It ensures transparency in customer interactions, and finally, it reduces manual effort in maintaining call records. The third feature is Call Analytics. Call Analytics data-driven pre-sales performance. Making data-backed decisions is crucial. Call Analytics provides insights into call performance, conversion rate, and lead quality, helping sales teams optimize their approach. This provides actionable insights for sales improvement. It identifies high potential leads and sales bottlenecks. And lastly, it enhances decision-making with real-time data. Feature 4. Workflow triggers automated follow-ups. Timely follow-ups can make or break a deal. Workflow triggers automate follow-ups by sending project details via WhatsApp, email, or SMS immediately after a call. This ensures instant engagement. The advantage to this is that it ensures immediate and consistent follow-ups. This reduces manual effort in post-call engagement, and it increases the chances of lead conversion. Getting started with ACX Convo AI is quick and hassle-free. Here's how you can set it up in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Integration with your CRM and cloud telephony. Simply integrate ACX Convo AI with your existing CRM and cloud telephony system. Our platforms support seamless API integration with all major CRMs and calling solutions. It works with Salesforce, Zoho, Totality, and more. One-time setup is fully automated. Step 2. Configure bot calls and workflows. Next, customize bot call scripts, set up lead qualification criteria, and configure workflow triggers to send automated follow-ups via WhatsApp, email, or SMS. Fully customizable scripts for personalized interactions, AI-powered scheduling, and instant follow-ups. Step 3. Go live and monitor performance. Once you are all set up, you can go live instantly. Monitor call analytics, review transcriptions, and optimize performance through real-time insights. You can now track call quality and agent performance. You can also identify high-potential leads effortlessly. And that's it. With ACX Convo AI, you can automate, optimize, and accelerate your pre-sales processes like never before. Want to see it in action? Request a live demo today.